Okay, task number 3 now. It says the following line of code will print the first character in each of the first name and surname variables. Python starts counting at 0, so Tom would be T equals 0, O equals 1, M equals 2, and so on. So what this wants you to do, this line of code here, it wants you to just be able to print the first initials of both first name and surname. And how you do that is by calling the name of the variable first, and then in square brackets you put a number. And the number you put relates to the position of the letter. Okay, so for example, 0 would be the first letter of the value that you entered for the variable first name, because Python counts from 0. That's just how it is. It's a bit confusing, but it just counts from 0. So this is saying first name, letter 0, letter at position 0, which is the first letter. And similarly, if you were to do first name, the letter at position 1, then that would be the second letter. Okay, so you just got to go one back. Yeah, you shift one back. So let's just go ahead and do it. Okay, so print, open bracket, your initials, oopsie daisies, sorry. Initials are, I forgot my speech marks. Get those in here. Your initials are, and then we do first name, the first letter. So you do square brackets, okay? Not your normal brackets, not your curly brackets, square brackets. So first name, first letter, surname, first letter, close bracket. That should work. Okay, let's go ahead and run the program. And it's going to do all of this. What is your name? Let's do a different name. Let's do Eva. Your name. Eva. Hello, Eva. What is your surname? I've forgotten her real surname. Miles. There we go. Your surname is Eva Miles. Hello, Eva Miles. Your initials are E and M. Okay, so that works. So that has given the first letter of the first name and the first letter of the surname. If I was to change this just to show you that Python, it counts from 0. If I was to change it to 1, what do you think would happen? Have some thinking time. Python counts from 1. So this is not going to give the first letter of first name. Let's see what happens. Let's go ahead and run this. Okay. What is your name? Oops, I shouldn't have done that. Hold on. Let me just close this and open it again in a new shell. Run module. Okay, what is your name? Let's give Mariam. Mariam, what is your surname? We're going to put Khan. Your surname is Khan. Hello, Mariam Khan. Your initials are A and K. It's given A. Well, yeah, of course it would give A because we said first name, the letter at position 1, which is actually the second letter here. Okay, so that's how it works. Yeah, so just know that Python counts from 0, and if you ever wanted to access a letter from any variable, like a first name or a surname, then you can get that letter by using this syntax, open bracket, followed by a number, close bracket, okay? And then that would return to you the letters that you're looking for. Okay, so that is this bit done. Okay, and let's do task number 4 now. Declare another variable called full name. So you know how you had first name, surname. We're now going to have full name. And we're going to make this equal first name plus surname. Okay, so instead of doing full name equals input, we're going to do full name equals this. Full name equals this. Okay, and then it's just asking you, what do you think the plus does? Anyway, let's just go ahead and do that. Okay, so I'm just going to do that underneath. Let me just change this to 0 in case we might need it. Right, this is task number 4 I'm doing here. So let me just put a comment in. This is task 4. So print, is it print first? Oh no, it's the variable first. Okay, that's fine. Let's just go to the beginning. Here we go. Right, full name full name equals first name plus speech marks with a space in the middle of the speech marks plus surname. Okay, and then underneath here, print full name. Okay. Let me just put a hashtag here. This is task 3, just so you know. And this would have been task 2, 3, oh, 2. Here we go. Sorry. Here we go, just to make it clearer. Right, okay, so we have just done this. We've made a third variable now in our program, and we have said full name, the variable full name is equal to whatever the first name is, plus, I don't know what this is yet, something, plus surname, print full name. So let's go ahead and run that, see what it does. So it's going to run through the whole program. It's good, repetition is key. Let me put this on the side over here. Let me just downsize this window a bit here. Here we go. Right, what is your name? Hassan. Hello, Hassan. What is your surname? We're going to come up with whatever surname, Malik. Your surname is Malik. Hello, Hassan Malik. Your initials are H and M. Hassan Malik. This last part here is task 4. It has printed full name. It has printed full name. Okay. Sometimes when you don't want like a whole program to keep running when you're testing something, you can actually do something called triple quotes. Triple quotes. And what that does is it makes the whole thing into a comment, and it doesn't run it when you actually run the program. Just so you know, you can play around with that. But I actually need all my code from before. Otherwise this won't work because my first name and surname need to be actually inputted. So anyways, I just thought I'd let you know that in case you're already quite comfortable with this. Right, so anyway, full name is first name equals surname. Let me just get rid of this middle bit, this here. I don't like this. Let me get rid of it. Here we go. Let's just see what happens when we just do this. Full name, first name plus surname. Okay, let me run that now. Let's see what happens. Okay, run. All right, what is your name? My name is Sana now. Hello, Sana. What is your surname? For, I don't know, what name should we give now? Let's do Khan again for no reason. Your surname is Khan. Hello, Sana Khan. Your initials are SK, Sana Khan. Ah, look at the difference here now. Look at the difference here, Sana Khan, and look at this. So the difference is the space. So that space was included by doing the speech marks around it. So if you don't have the speech marks, it's not going to work. It's just going to be nothing and it's going to get confused. So you have to have speech marks, and the space itself is being treated as a string. So remember, a string is any bunch of letters, numbers, characters, anything that you just want to print exactly on the screen as it is. So we need that. So this is for formatting. We've done this for formatting. So let's go ahead and run one more time. And you know what, let me just close this window because it's gone to the bottom again. And if I hit enter, 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 it's just going to ruin the program. So let's do this one more time. Run module. Okay. There we go. What is your name? Let's just do Adam. Hello, Adam. What is your surname? I don't know, hubby. Your surname is Hubby. Hello, Adam Hubby. Your initials are A and H. Adam Hubby. There you go. It's properly formatted now as it wanted us to have it formatted. Okay, so that should be okay for you to understand. That is task 4 done. That is task 4 done. Right click that, highlight that. Okay, so you should be all right with 3 and 4 by watching this video. Go over this video again. Go through the tasks again, write out the code again, and just make sure you're all right with it. Any questions you have, you can ask me. I'm going to do the other tasks in a third video, and then we should be done.